switch the cams.
Excuse me.
Yes.
I won 2-1 against FedEx.
Yeah, you can play right now.
What?
Go for spam call?
What is going on?
Watch me lose this spam. Oh, Shen versus back. Zero. Or Shen. Oh, we can put it on. Oh, no. Okay.
Everything's in blue. Q didn't answer my question in chat. Now I'm pissed. Spikefire actually doing kind of schnutz right now. Okay. Nothing.
Only ran away. I was so annoyed. I was really scared, so I was like, what do I use that? I was so annoyed. So like, I'm wearing white, I just like, I don't play. I was just like, I heard the sigh, I looked at the timer, I was like, okay, sounds good. I was back here. Just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah, what's up? Are you JJ? Yeah. Alright, can you play Jose right now?
Yeah.
Jose, you're playing him.
Take 3 extra minutes because Liam Kai is in game 3 right now.
Okay. Pack Street! Pack Street, hi Pack Street! Hi!
I thought Leo's Spartan was going to be top 3, and then I thought
Pack Street, you should text me more. I miss you.
that's just because I think Spartan was the same thing better than Portal Batman. I haven't watched him play so long this time.
I'm not falling for it, Brian. It's not gonna happen, I'm sorry. You've trained me, and I'm too smart. I wonder if Spikefire is maybe like getting a bit nervous because he won like the first set, but then the second set he kind of just like he was like bouncing around, but he wasn't really even trying to hit him really.
What I've noticed is he's playing a lot more slower compared to before.
Yeah, I feel like when you win the first match, you're like, all right, time to do the exact same thing again. You know what I mean? But he kind of just like went in more careful.
Here's the problem. I wasn't really here for the second game, so I don't know what happened within the match. Where Tickle won by like a commanding lead. I don't know what happened. So.
See, like, this is good because he's like approaching and he's trying to get the hits in. obviously he, died for that. He was at a high percent.
Yeah, sadly, I think that's the problem, right? He gets discouraged by like the random reversal that Tickle got right there. So like he's less likely to run in and plays a little more scared, right? I think you're right. I think he does want to like run in and approach, but
I mean, it works for him though.
yeah,
Because like in the other game, he wasn't approaching and like even right now, he's kind of like trying to run away a little bit, and Tickle's just like not letting him do it.
catching him out for. I don't remember if semis is best of 3.
Semis is best of 5. If I know my things. Update that score, bitch.
Alright, relax. Can't find the
Wouldn't it be funny if the fire alarm was pulled again?
On the fire alarm special?
Yeah.
Maybe. Are you trying to incite something right now?
I'm trying to manifest, yeah.
I see.
Yo, Theme of Sid? Theme of Sid, hello?
See how they can bring this up? What he can bring differently. Spikefire, that is.
I'll be on camera.
You're gonna like break my teeth, my guy.
I know. That's why I didn't actually do it.
Thanks.
That is a true roll for me. I have made it top 8. Congrats. I'm noticing that Spikefire is getting like juggled, just being above Tickle. And Tickle's just taking advantage of that with Mithril up there, racking up percent so nicely. Like, yeah, look at this. Yeah, like a lot of the time, Spikefire is spending a lot of time in disadvantage, just being juggled around. Okay, now we got a difference.
Yeah. You won?
I won.
Why unfortunate?
I literally feel bad. 2-1 for Slot, by the way. Not for Slot.
Alright, I'm in mid.
I literally don't. Against that, I have to do So sorry, Kyle.
What?
So sorry.
Wait, how are you playing? I'm playing myself.
Yeah, honestly, if I lose to Ben, it would be cool because then he also wins. I'm not even
Yeah, exactly.
so bad. Like, all the time. Oh, you
Yo, Liam, that matchup looks so ass.
It's so bad. It's so bad. It's really bad. It's so fucking bad. But it's pretty fucking embarrassing.
Dude, the only time I could see you get hits was when you were on platform and he was below the platform. That's the only time I saw you. I was like, what the fuck? That's so ass.
Okay. He could bring this back, bring it to a game 5 for now.
I was like 60.
Possibility.
Yeah,
We just have to see
full range.
him.
It was like 180. And he hit,
I'm not too sure because Tickle's not giving like
oh no,
any like
fucking cross
he's winning neutral a
back
lot.
and hit him out of it.
Random Pyra.
Like,
I don't even know what move that was. It was killing me.
He got hit. Like,
Yeah, Spikifire's putting disadvantage. Getting him
Racking up percent, but they're reversing that and taking
Spam Cup and Samuel on stream!
I think Steven's actually harder to pick up than anything.
Wait, no.
What?
That's not bait.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that was like winner's
I don't remember I did before. I got a game though. That's my second game I'll be just